Here, Felice, do you want me to throw it? Do you want me to throw it? Do you want me to throw it and you chase it?
A 26-year-old naturalist with the Yosemite Institute who was murdered in July of 1999. When two confronted, she fought for her life against a bigger, stronger man who had a weapon. Her story affects me deeply because she had the athletic ability, the will to survive, and the motivation to do the work. She absolutely expended more.